Here we go. SVR. SVR on WXK. Who is this for?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has
LWX.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Carroll County in North Central Maryland, Northwestern Baltimore City in Northern Maryland, West Central Hartford County in Northern Maryland, Northern Baltimore County in Northern Maryland until 5:15 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a
I knew
severe
this was
thunderstorm
coming.
was located over Reynolds Sound, or 8 miles west of Pikesville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles.
I knew this was coming.
Source, radar indicated.
What the heck was that? Oh shoot, they issued the watch. Hold on.
Roadways may become blocked by down trees.
SVA! It's gonna be a doubleheader on there too. It's gonna be a doubleheader.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 219, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Lancaster, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in
That was quick.
the area. While severe
That was
weather may not be
quick.
imminent, persons should remain alert for weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
They issued that quick.
To know weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Yep.
Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast.
SVA. Oh my god, it actually went off. It's actually insane.
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather
Double
Service
header.
has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 219, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the Maryland, Baltimore, Depot, Hartford, and Howard, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore and Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
God
the following
dang.
marine locations: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland.
Single's
Chesapeake
tweaking.
Bay from Pools Island to
But it
Sandy
went
Point, Maryland.
off. What?
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, and Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including
Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Repeating,
Hold on.
severe thunderstorm watch number 219 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, Depot, Hartford, and Howard, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore and Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and the following marine locations: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island
Alright,
to
under
Sandy Point,
SVA until
Maryland,
10 p.m.
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, and Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor.
Let's go, chat. Let's go. SVR. SVR. Don't know who it's for. Baltimore and Hartford.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Hartford County in Northern Maryland, East Central Baltimore County in Northern Maryland until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Connie, or near
I knew this was
Cottonville,
gonna happen.
moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated.
Let's make sure
Damaging winds will cause
yeah,
some
we're good.
trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees.
Alright, we're good.
Localized power outages
Just
are
checking IM
possible.
bot.
Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Glen Arm, Fort, Aberdeen, Churchville, Pleasant Hills, Parkville, Long Green,
Yeah, spell or thunder. Called it.
Baldwin, and Perry Hall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, and Hartford.
SMW on WNG and WXK. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles north of Middle River, moving east at 30 knots.
I was cool to hear both my
Wind gusts
261
34 knots or greater.
go off at the same time.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be
can
thrown
barely hear
overboard by
WXK,
suddenly
but
higher
it's fine.
winds and waves
I promise
capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey
What was
Point,
that? Hold
Spassuti
on.
Island, Gunpowder River, Delaware Grace, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The severe thunderstorm warning for north central Bucks County is canceled. The severe
Considerable SVR.
10 miles north of Middle River, moving northeast at 30 miles.
Holy
per hour.
crap.
Hazard 2-inch hail and 60 miles.
2-inch hail! Oh my god.
Radar indicated. Impact. Wind damage to trees and power lines. Hail is large enough to dent and damage vehicles.
Oh my
Some hail damage
god.
roofs, siding, and windows if possible. Locations impacted include Glen Arm.
I didn't realize it was 2-inch hail.
Churchville, Baldwin, Pleasant Hills, Long Green, Bel Air South, Darlington, Carson, Scarborough, Hives, Kingsville, Forest Hill, Bingham, Hartford Furnace, Boston, Bel Air North, and Upper Falls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail.
Holy
and heavy
crap.
lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure.
This site is popping off. Holy crap.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, and Hartford. At 5 p.m. in eastern Maryland, it was...
Here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot 1050 hertz.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm
I called
warning
it.
for northeastern Hartford County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 6:45 p.m.
I called
At
it.
5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Zion, Blake, Aberdeen, Churchville, Barksdale, Darlington, Carsons, West Nottingham, Octoraro, Brentwood, Port Deposit, Fair Hill, Glen Westover, Bayview, Charlestown, Perryville, Lombard, Richardsmere, Delaware Grace, and Elkton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Cecil, and Hartford. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service.
SVA all free stations. WXK, WXL, and WNG.
following is severe thunderstorm.
Holy crap!
Effective until 11 p.m.
That was super
This
cool.
watch includes the following counties: Berks, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. Also counting Marshall and Jersey, Cumberland and Salem and Chester, Pennsylvania, and Delaware. Conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 220 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery. Here the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island issued. Here is the official National Weather Service.
Wow. That was amazing! SVR. SVR from
The
PXI.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, south central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bayview, or 7 miles northeast of Havre, Delaware Grace, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oof.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newport, Greenville, Stanton, West Grove, North Star, Landenberg, Delaware Memorial Bridge, Kennett Square, Wilmington Manor, Tufkanaman, Brookside, Ellesmere, Pike Creek, Avondale, Kimbrelsville, Newark, Huckesson, Ashland, Wilmington, and Newcastle. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania, and Newcastle, Delaware. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware Bay, issued at... The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern
I figured we're done
Pennsylvania,
this, THI.
northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Chester County in
Ooh.
southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was notified over Glenmore, north of Cambridge, southeastern Bergen County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern northwestern Montgomery County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Glenmore, or 13. Springville, Batchelsville, Lansdale, Montgomeryville, Doylestown, and Schwenksville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 319. Northeast extension between mile markers 26 and 49. Interstate 176. Thordale, East Edinburgh, Oregon, Tanfield, Ferguson. PM for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe...
Whoa, okay, so we just got some lightning and a rumble of thunder. I wonder if that means anything. But yeah, in the meantime, that was a pretty good catch from Mount Holly. Thank you very much for that. SVR from Berks. And WXK97 too.
Southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:30 p.m. At 9:50 p.m. Quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor.
Against Kansas City, and that gets us to the stretch here in downtown Baltimore. This 7-city stretch is being brought
South Pottstown, Glenmore, New Morgan, Penby Gardens, Pootown, Kenworth, Honeybrook, Cedarville, Marcusburg, Glen, South Coatesville, Stowe, Reetham, and Pottstown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 310. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania.